What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will compare two of Xiaomi's vacuum cleaners to see which one performs the best and which one would be the ideal choice for your home. We have the Roborock 2 or S50 as it's called, and also the Mi Mop Pro. They are both all-in-one vacuum and mop robots that can cover a large surface area. Let's see the specs side by side and some test results to draw a conclusion on which of them performs better. Size-wise, the Mi Robot Pro is just a little bit slimmer and can fit easier under the furniture, as in my case with the bed where a few millimeters makes all the difference and avoids getting it stuck. They both come with a charging station and can find their way back to it after cleaning is completed. But there is a difference here, as the S5 comes also with a plastic base for the station to avoid getting water drops on the wooden floor while stationary and charging. The charging pins are also different. For the S5 the pins are on the bottom, while for the Mi Robot Pro they are on the back, pushed against the wall, and I had days when the robot somehow got disconnected because of the contact pins spring mechanism. They both have similar weight, 3.5 versus 3.6 kilograms. They are both able to mop the floors using the detachable water reservoir. But there is a difference here too. The S5 comes with a separate slim water tank that attaches under the vacuum, while the Mi Robot Pro has an extra 2-in-1 tank that replaces the original vacuum tank inside. Both vacuums have several sensors to help them navigate and avoid obstacles, but I have noticed that the S5 is faster to find its way around while moved in another spot or searching for the charging station. The S5 has an LDS laser distance system with a 360 degrees viewing angle, and it scans the interior with an LAM algorithm. To ensure collision-free and effective cleaning, the device is equipped with 13 built-in sensors, including an LDS sensor. An improved sensor system with soft bumpers on the housing helps protect the device from damage. 4 edge sensors prevent the device from falling from a height. An additional wall sensor always keeps the device within 10 mm of the wall. If the device is lifted, the special sensor is activated and the vacuum cleaner stops working. The charging sensor, using infrared technology, ensures effective charging of the robot. The Mi Robot Pro, on the other hand, uses laser distance system technology to monitor the environment in 360 degrees also. It has a SLAM algorithm and uses distance data, a gyro, and an accelerometer to create the map of the area. It also features an anti-fall detection sensor, so it will not fall off my stairs when cleaning. The good thing is that both robots do not rely on a camera for mapping, as they are less efficient in low light, so I do not recommend getting a robot who guides itself with cameras. Regarding the battery, the S5 has an advantage here with its 5200 mAh battery compared to the 3200 mAh battery for the Mi Robot. This made a huge difference in my testing. As you can see, the S5 manages to cover a lot more space with a single charge for the same approximately 40 square meters. Also, when for some reason the robot is not back to its base for charging or connected to power, the S5 battery lasts much longer before going offline. In terms of suction power, they are the same with around 2000 PA. They both have the same cleaning brushes, feature 4 power modes, but as an extra the Mi Robot Pro can be configured to only mop or only vacuum and features detailed mopping settings like the amount of water. Both robots support editing the map to add no-go zones or virtual walls, which is useful for areas full of cables or areas where they tend to get stuck. You can also send them to a specific area to cover, as maps get automatically split into rooms by color. Both support scheduled cleanups and to remote control them manually via the app. Their long-life brushless motors have a similar noise level at around 70 decibels at maximum power, but the S5 draws more power at 58 watts versus the 32 watts for the Mi Robot Pro. Now let's see how they both clean up one specific area and which one does it faster and cleaner. As you can see, they both perform pretty similarly. The cleaning is not perfect though. For larger spaces, the Roborock S5 is just better as the battery lasts much longer. But if you have a small to medium place, you could save a lot of cash by getting the Mi Mop Pro, which also happens to have more advanced mopping features. Alright guys, I hope you found this video helpful, so please hit that like and subscribe buttons and I'll see you in the next one.